We basically cook the pasta, turns it to noodles. How I explain later. We prep the produce, mix the sauce, stir fry to slightly brown, add the noodles, the sauce, and voila! It is done. It's that simple. You can easily follow my detailed written recipe, which is in the description and the first comment. Now I have a few notes and tips for you. First, to turn pasta to noodles, simply add baking soda to the pasta water. And second, we also want to cook about 1 to 2 minutes longer than suggested cooking time on the package. I highly recommend using a non-stick pan, much faster and easier to deal with. Otherwise, be sure to preheat your non-stick pan properly. Now, when stir frying, it's important to not constantly stirring. The ingredients need time to be in direct contact with the hot pan for browning to happen. Anyway, browning is important. It makes flavor, aroma, and the irresistible look. Finally, last note, a great dish all around. Excellent for meal prepping or feeding your family, super affordable, and a very healthy dish. A noodle dish without the need of noodles. How about that? Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, consider supporting my small channel by doing the above. Thank you so much. You have a great day, okay? Bye bye.